Hello, welcome to the Crypto News where you receive your information about the crypto world, especially in the DeFi space. What is DeFi? DeFi means a decentralized finance. This is the future of the financial industry or financial segment. Today we are bringing to you another auto compounding protocol. All right, as I said before, specifically we are more interested in the DeFi space in this channel. But before we continue, I have to tell you that this is not a financial advice. You have to do your own research and then know where to invest your money. We only bring you information and the educational purposes for you to help you make your appropriate decision on where to invest your money. All right, so you can click the like button on this channel and then subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that we receive our information whenever we upload the video to the YouTube. Today we are going to look at the Sphere Finance. This is an auto compounding and auto staking protocol, all right, using the Polygon chain or Polygon network, whose native token is the Matic. All right. So what makes this unique? This protocol. It says it's a store of value with forced appreciation. Okay, it's the S&P 500 or crypto. What is S&P? Standard and Poor's we have in the stock exchange market in New York. So Standard and Poor's 500 of crypto. What does it mean? You know S&P tracks 500 largest American companies. So the same thing here. This one tracks or follows the crypto market, which means they invest in other crypto protocols. Okay, they track them. So whenever you invest in this, of course, they also use the money to invest in other protocols. That makes their business sustainable and gives you a good reward. Okay, so here says holders of the Sphere token enjoy exposure to a diversified portfolio of cryptocurrency projects. So that's what I've said before. You invest and then from here they diversify, they invest in other protocols or portfolios of projects so that they can also have other sources of revenue. That is why it's called the S&P 500 of the crypto space. All right, so if you want, you just click into app so that you can enter there and then see the market cap, the cost and everything. So why am I bringing this to today? This protocol was launched in, I think it was in March. It was launched, and then it was 0.00 something, and then it grew the market cap and everything until it caught the two zeros. But now, because of the market, general market of the cryptocurrency, the price is very attractive because if you check the DEX screener here, you're going to see what is the price of a Sphere Finance today. The price is 0.008031, so it has two zeros before it, which means what? Which means that it's very cheap. Now it's very very cheap for you to get into that and make a lot of profit because it's going to go up when the general crypto market goes up. The Bitcoins, the BNB, and the other ones when they go up. So it has a market cap of $142 million and the liquidity of $3.69 million. All right, as you can see from the DEX screener, so some people are selling, some people are buying. But you can see that more people are buying than selling because they believe that this is very cheap and the prices will go up soon. I myself I'm going to buy it again because the first time it was launched, I bought that time the Matic was $1.50. Now the Matic you need to have because the native token of the Polygon is the Matic. Now the Matic is 60 cents, 0.6. Okay, so it's all of them, all the cryptocurrencies are going down. So it's that amount now the Polygon on the Polygon network. So this is the right time for you to get into all these auto compounding protocols. There is no fear in this one because the market cap is big and the liquidity is also huge. So when it bounces back, you are going to make a lot of profit from this. Okay, another thing that makes this protocol different, it says here, go ahead and take profits, balance for profit taken with our dynamic tax. They have a dynamic tax system in the protocol. What does it mean? Our dynamic tax system ensures that no one person can cause massive swings in price. Because fees are adjusted when a transaction affects liquidity, we are able to encourage people to take their profits in a way that benefits both the investor and the community. Here means that they have a dynamic tax system, which means when you want to sell your token, if the percentage you have is a lot, it represents a lot of percentage in the whole token, the total. So the tax you are going to pay will be higher because they don't want to sell everything and then try to influence the market. Okay, so they have to increase the tax in order to discourage you from selling everything, especially the whales, people who have a lot of, who bought a lot of tokens. Whenever they sell, they dump in the market, the price goes down. So they don't want you to do that. So how do they reduce that influence? By having a dynamic tax system where you can be charged until I think 25% or more, depending on the number of tokens you have. Okay. So it says here they have invested investor confidence. Okay, and they are audited. Okay, highest KYC by Obsidian, audited and KYC by Certic, audited again by SF, and audited by Prisma Shield. So they have been audited by 3 different companies, and also KYC by Obsidian. All right. So in that way, they are showing you that they have the credibility. Okay, it says a flywheel liquidity, which means collects a yield from our own transactions by strategically buying back its liquidity. So, of course, they collect tax when you buy and when you sell. So it says that they use a part of it to buy back the liquidity, to increase their liquidity so that the prices are not so much influenced. And liquidity means that whenever you want to buy or sell, you wouldn't have problems. You can easily buy the token or sell it without having to wait for a long time. All right, what does it give to you? APY is 99,900%, almost 100%. Okay, just like Titano, which is 102%, so they're in the same range. And now they have a market cap of 52.8 million with total number of wallets of 36,578. So really, this thing grew massively when it was launched, but now because of the general market of the crypto, the price is low, and that also affects the market cap and the rest of them. But having a market cap of 52.8 million means a lot, because some protocols they don't even have up to 2 million in market cap. All right, so for you to know more about this, you can read the white paper, all right, join their Discord community, all right, on YouTube or Twitter space. Okay, but before you do anything, before you invest in any protocol, please try to read their white papers, because in the white paper you need to have the detail about the project, and that means if you will show you if you believe in this project or not. You don't just invest in something you don't know about or you don't believe in. First, you have to read, you have to believe in the project, and then you invest your money. In this one, I am going to invest. I invested the first time it appeared. It was launched. I sold. Now I'm coming back to invest again in this because now the prices are so cheap, and it has such a market cap and liquidity pool. It has is a lot. It's massive. So the project is going to be sustainable on the long term. Why? Because it tracks the other crypto projects and invest in them in other ones that will make it highly sustainable, other streams of income to help sustain the project or the protocol. So if you enter app, if you want to invest or if you decide to invest, remember that this is not a financial advice, But if you are convinced to invest in this, you just click enter app, and then here you connect your wallet. Remember, if you say MetaMask, you know you have to set it to Polygon, because the chain where it works is the Polygon chain, which uses the Matic, okay, as the native token. So once you connect your wallet here, then everything appears here. The holdings, your daily earnings, everything you want to know about this project appears. The price will also appear. Your daily ROI will be here. Then buy tax and sell tax, all of them will appear in this dashboard. All right. And then you are going to see by the side, for example, here it says Biosphere. So you connect the wallet on Biosphere. If you click on Biosphere, it takes you, it has inbuilt DEX. Okay, what is DEX? Decentralized exchange. So it has an inbuilt, you don't have to leave, you just do it inside here, connect the wallet, and then you click on Biosphere, then it appears for you. Where you click, everything is already set, the buy tax, the sell tax is automatic. You connect your wallet and then exchange, but you must have the Matic in your wallet as the native token. Then you buy number of shares you want. As I said before, the price is there. So with this, you can, no amount of money you have is very small, all right? Because you have now is 0.008. So even if you have $1, okay, if you put $1 here, it's going to be how much? It will give you 0.01. $1 will give you 100. Now 0.001, $1 will give you 1,000. But 0.008, $1 will give you something like maybe a number between 100 and 1,000, because you have this 8 here. Okay, so just to give you, to have an idea, even if you put in $1 invest in this, it will give you more than 100 tokens. It will give you probably 120 tokens on the price of today. So the earlier you invest in this, the better for you, so that you can buy the car of your dream, which is Ferrari or Lamborghini, because 9-to-5 job will not give you this opportunity. But here, only $1 can change your life. Put $1, $5. I am saying this amount because even if you didn't work, $5 is not a hell of money that you can make you to be poor. All right, because if you put maybe $5 here, it gives you what? It gives you more than 500 tokens. All right, it gives you more than 500 tokens, even $5 here. But what happens is that the magic of compounding, within 1 year, within 6 months to 1 year, you are going to see the magic of compound. 100,000, almost 100,000 APY, okay, annual percentage yield. So it is good for you to take some minimal risk, because if you don't take risk in your life will just be the same thing. There will be no changes, okay? So again, I'm on the dashboard here inside the website. This website, you can see it below my video. You can click on it, brings you to this website here. You see the price, you see daily ROI 1.91. Okay, you receive daily. Okay, so 1.91 daily, which means in a month, probably it's going to be 1.75 after 30 days, which means if you invest $100, after 30 days, you're going to receive probably $75 if the price is the same. That's the meaning. So for every month, you'll just be receiving that. Okay, so all right, here, so you can see this buy tax is 13%, sale tax is 20%. The transfer maximum token you can buy or you can sell is 500,000. The maximum you can buy, the maximum you can buy is a 50 million. Maximum you can sell is 500,000 tokens, just because in order to control the movement in prices. So here they have the tax bracket, sale tier 1, okay, which is 20%. Uh-huh. What does it mean they have a tier 1, tier 2, depending on the proportion of your tokens in relation to the proportion, the total number of tokens you have. So if you're one of the whales, of course, the tax you're going to pay will be higher when if you want to sell all the tokens once to avoid dumping. All right. So as I said before, if you like this type of video, just click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so that we can always get you whenever we upload the video on YouTube. All right. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you in my next video.